Hello everybody, welcome to Morning English. This is Blair.
Hey guys, this is Lily. 欢迎大家收听早安英文。又到毕业季了，
这时间是过得真快啊。So what impressed you most about graduation?
Wow, there are so many cherished memories. 但是我印象最深的还是折磨我最久的毕业论文了。
I bet most graduating students have been greatly tormented by the thesis.
Right. 说到毕业论文啊，之前就有人问我，写毕业论文的时候，论文到底该用哪个单词表达？用 paper, essay, or thesis 还是用 dissertation?
That's a good question. They're from time to time used interchangeably and often confused. 虽然都可以表示论文啊，但它们呢还是有一些小区别的。
Exactly. So today we can talk about the specific difference between these four words.
OK, 还可以顺便和大家分享一些其他的和毕业相关的英语表达。今天呢，给大家送个超棒的福利，早安英文会员课程的7天免费体验权限，只有10个名额哦。同时呢，大家也可以加入早安英文的 Telegram 社群，来群里和我们一起交流。社群地址和7天会员的免费领取链接都放在评论区了，欢迎你来。
Well, let's start with thesis. 我们先来看看词典对这个单词的解释啊。Thesis is a piece of writing involving original study of a subject, especially for a college or university degree.
Yeah, it is a project that marks the end of a master's program. 所以thesis, T-H-E-S-I-S 是对某一个主题进行原创研究的写作作品，尤其呢是用来只取得学士学位或者硕士学位的一个大学论文。
没错，那本科毕业论文啊就可以用 graduation thesis 来表达了。I spent almost half a year writing my graduation thesis.
那简直是太煎熬了啊！
对啊。
那大家需要注意 thesis 这个单词，它的复数形式呢是 theses。T-H-E-S-E-S 啊，是一个不规则变化。
Right， 我前段时间啊还在微博上看到一个非常有意思的事啊，一个女生说他们之前有门课嘛，叫毕业论文写作，在课上呢学到了 dissertation 这个单词，感觉可专业可高级了。So she specifically used the term dissertation every time when writing her graduation thesis and submitted it.Then you guess what?
The supervisor failed her?
那倒不至于哈，论文呢肯定是被打回来了，然后导师啊把 dissertation 全部改成了 paper， 还备注了一句啊，本科呢用 paper 就可以了 ，dissertation 都是厉害的硕博论文，
这就尴尬了啊！本来还想秀一秀自己的词汇量啊，导师说的呢也确实没错。A dissertation is a long piece of writing on a particular subject, especially one that is done for a PhD， 是为了博士学位而写的论文。
So a PhD thesis is often called a dissertation. 也就是说啊 dissertation 会更高级一点，单词看上去就更高级一点，实际上内容也更高级一点。
That's true. However, the usage of the two words thesis and dissertation may vary slightly in different countries.
那我们刚刚讲的呢都是美式英语的用法。Thesis 表示本科硕士论文， dissertation 表示博士论文。In British English is completely the opposite.
没错，在英式英语当中呢，通常就会用 dissertation 来表示本科或者硕士论文，而 thesis 用来表示博士论文。
那接下来我们讲一讲 paper is the most commonly used word. 作为所有论文的统称啊，它的使用范围呢是最广的。
Right, a paper is a piece of writing on a particular subject written by an expert and usually published in a book or journal. 很厉害的一个学术期刊，这种论文我们就可以用 paper.
And when applying for a PhD, it is required to have several research papers published in SCI. 想要申请博士学位啊，一般都会要求发过几篇 SCI 的论文了。SCI 的地位就不用多说了啊。
能发在 SCI 上的论文都是非常厉害啊。那 paper 除了指很厉害、很专业的学术论文 ，it also refers to a short piece of writing on a particular subject, especially one done by students as part of the work for a course.
没错，这也就是为什么我们的毕业论文呢，也可以用 paper 来表示的。
而且像美国啊，在美剧里面我们也经常看到，他们的期末考核大多都是这种 term paper， 写一篇几千字的学期论文。Then the professor will assign them grades from A to E based on the term papers.But
it's a little bit different in the UK. 在英国呢，通常会把这种比较短的某一种课程的学期论文呢称为 essay。
英美文化这又体现出来了啊。那还有一个单词呢，也可以顺便说一下，就是这个 article. An article is a piece of writing on a particular subject in a newspaper or magazine or on the internet.
Article 通常是指刊登在报纸啊、杂志啊或者互联网上的文章了。Okay, so those are the differences between thesis,dissertation, paper, essay, and article. 那写完论文之后啊，大家最担心的应该就是论文答辩了。
Definitely, because the outcome of the oral defense directly determines whether you can graduate successfully or not.
论文答辩啊，决定生死啊。During the oral defense of your thesis, tutors and experts will fire questions at you.I still remember how nervous I was.
好在结果是比较顺利的啊。这个论文答辩呢，我们就可以用 oral defense 来表达。After the oral defense is successfully completed, you need to wait for the graduation ceremony.
Yeah, everyone will wear a cap and gown to attend the graduation ceremony.
没错，穿着学士服参加毕业典礼。那学士服啊 ，cap and gown. Cap 是表示学士帽，那个帽子。Throwing the graduation cap in the air signifies our graduation.
我们当时还全班拍了这个抛学位帽的这个视频啊，然后大喊了一声我们毕业了。
Right, precious memory. 那 gown, G-O-W-N, 它是指正式场合穿那种礼袍，也就是学士袍了。
整一套嘛 ，cap and gown 就是学士服了。So at the end of the ceremony, we can get the diploma.
Right, a diploma is a document which may be awarded to a student who has completed a course of study by a university or a college. 大学4年除了能学到知识，最后收获的就是这个蓝本本啊，也就是 diploma 毕业证。
不过有的人啊能拿到毕业证，但是没办法拿到那个学位证啊。
因为学位证它要求更高。It is a certificate awarded to attest the student's proficiency in knowledge and technical skills in a specific field. 但是本科学位一般都是2个证一起拿啊。
对，
硕士或者博士呢，才可能出现只能拿毕业证不能拿学位证的情况。
That's right. 那顺便也说一说啊，我们国家的学位呢，一共是分3个等级的。本科的学士学位呢叫 Bachelor's Degree， 硕士学位叫做 Master's Degree， 博士学位呢是 Doctor's Degree。
没错，那今天就和大家分享了 thesis, dissertation, paper.essay 还有 article 这几个词的具体区别，还有一些和毕业相关的表达啊，我们再一起来总结一下。
在美式英语里 thesis 表示本科硕士论文， dissertation 表示博士论文。英语里呢恰好相反， dissertation 表示本科硕士论文， thesis 表示博士论文。
还有 paper 用途是最广的，它可以用来指学术大咖写的期刊，在美国呢也可以用 paper 来表示学生的期末论文，在英国啊通常会把这种比较短的某一个课程的学期论文称为 essay。
Right, article 啊就很好理解了，是刊登在报纸啊或者网上的文章。
那讲完论文还讲了一下毕业答辩 oral defense， 还有毕业典礼 graduation ceremony.
And we should wear a cap and gown 学士服 on that day. Then we can get the diploma and degree.
All right, so that's all the time we have for today's podcast. 那关于毕业，大家还有什么想跟我们分享的呢？欢迎在评论区给我们留言哦。So thank you so much for listening. This is Blair.
This is Lily. See you next time.
Bye. 今天的节目就到这里了，大家别忘了去评论区领取我们的福利。早安英文会员课程的7天免费试听名额，只有10个，先到先得。最后，大家如果想加入我们的听众群，也可以在评论区置顶找到我们的 Telegram 社群地址，欢迎你来玩。
This podcast is from Morning English.
学口语就来早安英文。